Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at SC15 in Austin, Texas at the Intel booth, and I'm here with Brian Connors from Lenovo and Charlie Wuischpard from Intel. So Brian, I'm going to hand the mic off to you, but my question is, what did you guys announce at Lenovo with Intel this week?
Okay, thank you, Rich. Well, we announced this week of multiple things. First of all, we announced the opening of our Beijing Innovation Center. We announced back in March of this year, we announced one in Stuttgart, Germany, in a collaboration in partnership with Intel. We're going to launch the new one in January of this year, but we pre-announced it here. This will be 1,000 nodes, 3 times bigger than the one we have in Stuttgart. It'll be cover HPC, big data, analytics, in the entire spectrum, working closely with Intel.
Okay, Brian, so the first question is, how is Lenovo going to innovate on top of the Scalable system framework from Intel?
Yeah, very good question. So we have a lot of our own technologies. XCAT, for example, as we do deployment and configuration of systems. Open source, we maintain it, and then working in conjunction with Intel and the rest of the community on Scalable System Framework, we plan to differentiate there as one point. Also, in working with the overall Open HPC initiative that we're also part of, we believe we can differentiate, add value to the community as well as to our products.
All right, Charlie, the question for you is, it's early in the game, of course, for Scalable System Framework, but how are you feeling about momentum in that area?
I'm feeling, thank you, Rich, I'm feeling very good. In fact, we've got over 11 partners that have announced support for the Scalable System Framework, and having, very large, long-time, strategic partners like Lenovo as part of the Scalable System Framework is absolutely crucial, and we're very excited to have this partnership. I thought I'd take a moment here and show a Knights Landing wafer. This Knights Landing is one of our key products in the Scalable System Framework portfolio, and of course we announced OmniPath this week as well. But this is something that not everyone gets to see all the time. It's usually under lock and key, and I thought it'd be nice to see 8 billion transistors on, all in one fell swoop.
All right. Well, Charlie, thanks for sharing that, by the way. I haven't seen that in person. That's pretty impressive. Next question is why is this a partnership with Lenovo? Why is that important to Intel?
Thanks, Rich. The partnership's absolutely vital. I mean, Lenovo's got a long history in supercomputing, both at the very top end and across the broader market. I've known Brian for a good long time. We've been putting together a global benchmarking footprint, really, starting with the Stuttgart Center to support the European customers primarily. But I'm very excited that Lenovo and Intel have partnered around the center in Beijing. China's a huge and growing market, big force in high-performance computing. Lenovo's got a great footprint, and we're very excited to see, how our abilities to work together will expand our success with the Scalable System Framework and for Lenovo in Asia-Pacific region.
How will you work together to ensure mutual success?
Okay, Rich, thanks. Very good question. So we work together, we collaborate. I mean, Open HPC is an area that, as we sit down, we work with the community, we look at the software stack, we look at where we need to focus, where we can add differentiation, where the other partners can add differentiation is in one area. Second is, as we look at future designs, we're about want to be on the leading edge. We think from a global nature, we have the skills and capability, we know we do, and working in conjunction with the best engineers that Intel has, we can actually do things that can actually change the world and change what we're doing from an HPC and an open HPC community.
Yeah, I mean, first it starts with, kind of aligning our roadmaps. So our technology roadmap with Lenovo's platform roadmap, that was kind of step one, and we have that well underway. The second one is really the joint go-to-market efforts in terms of the benchmarking facility, aligning our sales teams and our marketing teams together around the world, and really, making the proof points, with our customers together.